everyone, myself Sangeeta Naikar, Department of Civil Engineering. In last video, we had studied about topo sheets. Hope you all have understood. Let's start today's video. Today we are going to study about dip and strike problems. Firstly, we are going to know definition of dip and strike. Dip. Dip is the acute angle that a rock surface makes with a horizontal plane. In dip, there are two types: true dip and apparent dip. True dip. The vertical cross section is perpendicular to the strike of the beds. Apparent dip. Apparent dip is the inclination of geological beds as seen from any vertical cross section not perpendicular to the strike of the geological beds. Let's see what is strike. Strike is the direction of the line formed by the intersection of a rock surface with a horizontal plane. We can see here the inclined line shows apparent dip. The inclined line shows apparent dip, and straight line which is perpendicular to the strike shows true dip. Straight line which is perpendicular to the strike shows true dip. There are four sets in dip and strike problems. Type 1, given the amount and direction of the true dip, it is required to find the amount of apparent dip. In type 2, they are given the amount and direction of apparent dip, it is required to find the amount of true dip and directions. In type 3, they are given the amount and direction of true dip and amount of apparent dip, it is required to find the directions of apparent dip and strike directions. In type 4, they are given the amount and direction of the apparent dip and amount of true dip, it is required to find the directions of true dip. Today we are going to study first type problems. In that we are going to solve problems. Problem: a plane has true dip of line 1 in 20 due north 40 degree east. Find out the amount of apparent dip due east and also the direction of strike. Scale 1 cm is equal to 10 units. Data given: amount and direction of true dip and direction of apparent dip. To find the amount of apparent dip and strike direction. Procedure: draw one vertical line and horizontal line. Where both lines are intersect, name as O. Where both lines are intersect, name as O. Put the directions north, south, east and west. In problem, they are given north 40 degree east from point O. By using protractor, find the angle north 40 degree east. Here north is there, here east is there. Find the angle 40 degree north, 40 degree east. Mark the point, mark the 40 degree. Join the line. Name as A. name as A, it is north 40 degree east. This one is called as true dip direction. This line is called as true dip direction. Next, in problem they are given true dip of 1 in 20. 1 in 20 from O point draw a 120 distance. It means 2 centimeter point O, draw a 2 centimeter line, mark 2 centimeter line, name as A dash. This line is called as true dip amount. Write 2 centimeter or 1 in 20. From point A dash, draw a perpendicular line. From A dash draw a perpendicular line, name as XY. This line is strike line. This line is called as strike line. Now let's measure the direction of straight line. Where the point XY line is intersect, by using protractor find out the angle. Here XY line angle is 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. Ten, 20, 30, 40. Here the angle of XY line is north 40 degree west. Same procedure. Put the protractor at point B. This point is named as B. Put the protractor at point B and find the angle of XY line. 10, 20, 30, 40. Here the XY line angle is south 40 degree south 40 degree east. When XY line directions comes same angles, means north 40 degree west and south 40 degree east, this is called as strike direction. And point O to B find the direction. Here point O to B is 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter or 1 in 32. Here 3.2 or 1 in 32, it is called as apparent dip amount. It is called as apparent dip amount. It is called as apparent dip amount. Our result is strike direction is north 40 degree west and south 40 degree east, and apparent dip amount is 3.2 or 1 in 32. Here we found the answer. Now I am going to give you exercise as a homework. Write down the exercise. A dipping plane of a dip of 1 in 35, due north 40 degree west. What is the amount of apparent dip? Scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. In next video, we will continue with set 2 problems of dip and strike. I hope you all understand. Thank you one and all.